Hi, this is Nick Palm, chemistry instructor for the Florida Virtual School, and we're going to do Lab 8.01. So I've already prepared the solutions. I have a solution. This is our indicator solution. This is actually called red cabbage water, but it does make this purple color. I don't know if you guys can see that very well. This is a very purple liquid, and we're going to determine whether we have acids or bases. 9 different solutions that we're going to test. We're going to test water, which I have here in this bowl. Kind of hard to tell if that's water or not. We're going to test hydrogen peroxide. We're going to test rubbing alcohol, salt water, aspirin, Pepto-Bismol, Alka-Seltzer, tonic water, and vinegar. See, I've got bits of these indicator solutions in small containers, and so we're going to see if there's a color change. If the color changes to red or pink, it is an acid. If the color changes to blue or green, it's a base. And if it doesn't change at all, then it's neutral. And so I'm going to use this eyedropper to take 5 to 10 drops of each solution, and we're going to see if we can get a color change. So the first solution we're going to use is water, which is really not a solution, it's just a compound. And this is filtered water, so this, if you use water from your tap, you will probably find that it's basic because it's got chlorine in it, and chlorine makes complicated compounds in water, and those compounds are bases. So I'm going to add 5 to 10 drops. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to swirl the mixture of water, and it looks to be, if you can see that, it looks to be about the same color as it was before. Okay. So I'm going to write down my data. The color of the cabbage indicator before was purple. The color of the substance plus the cabbage indicator is purple. Incidentally, you should print out the data table that you find in the lesson. So go ahead and print out this data table. That way you can collect this data as well. Okay. The second solution, or the second compound we're going to do, I think this is a solution of both water and hydrogen peroxide. We are going to take that solution, and you can see, let's see if you can see that. It's purple, right? We're going to add 5 to 10 drops, and in between each of these, you should really be rinsing out your eyedropper. The first one was water, so I didn't rinse it out because I'd be rinsing it out with water. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm seeing a lighter color here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to take that, I'm going to swirl it around, and I'm seeing a lighter color. It's also forming some bubbles, so there's definitely a chemical reaction. It's a little lighter, maybe somewhat on the purpley pink side. So I might go ahead and put purple pink here. Okay? And it is interesting to watch. There are bubbles forming on the top, which were not there before. If you can see that. Okay. Alright, so that's my hydrogen peroxide.